Yeah, it did. It's okay.
Hi.
Hi. Okay. Let's go.
ChuckE Cheese.
ไปแล้วไปChuckE Cheese นะ
You said that.
อ้าวเหรอ No. Nah. We're supposed to go to Evan's football game, but it got canceled because of the rain. So we're here.
So today's our lucky day.
Is our lucky?
Let's go play.
Okay, hold on. Let's wait for everybody. Dude, you have to wait. We're doing the all you can play. Okay, try to get as many tickets as you can. Wow, good job. Come on, bro. Yay, you got one, Key.
Wow. I didn't even get one. I got it, but it's out.
Your tickets. Tô chicken đâu mà nó đó. Bây giờ một bầu xoài á. Okay, let's go. Evan, did you go already? How many did you get?
2 or 4.
What are we eating?
McDonald's.
Bé cho bé này chơi chó tha luôn bé.